Hey everybody, this is Dan, Parks Manager, Grand Bay Marine, Traverse City here. Checking in with you with a Tuesday with Dan. We're going to do something with our anchors here. We've noticed and we suggest that everybody, no matter the size of your boat, you get a secondary anchor. A lot of people like to go, take its whim, go out to the sandbar, whatever it might be. You want to anchor your boat, and if you only have your primary anchor holding you in place, unfortunately, when wind or passing by the boaters, creating a wake could swing that boat around, and if you're near another boat, there could be contact, there could be damage. But more than that, it moves around, it dislodges everybody and everything inside of your boat, and it could also create a problem where you drag the anchor and then you go ashore. So the point is, no matter the size of your boat, there's a system that will work for you as a secondary anchor. So you would go ahead and drop your primary. Depending on the boat, it would either come off the bow or off the stern. This would be opposed to that. So depending on where your primary anchor goes in, your secondary will go off the other side to stabilize the boat in that position. It's really simple. Your main anchor line is going to be between 100 and 200 feet long. This is a small 50-footer, and it's 3/8. It's only about $40. So you can easily stow this away in a smaller ski locker under one of your back seats. It's not as hard to stow as the big ones, and it's going to more than pay for itself with peace of mind once you get out there to the sandbar or wherever you might be, especially as it starts filling up and people start rolling in. Your boat's stationary, and you're not going to have to worry about other people coming too close to you. Well, you always worry about that, but you don't have to worry about your boat creating any damage. So having said that, there's two different styles here. This is about a $125 system with this. This is more like a $90 system with this. The difference is a lead chain. One is galvanized, one is coated with PVC, so it's a little heavier. Basically, the lead chain makes the anchor bite as you throw it out and you draw it back towards the boat. The weight of the chain will drag it downward, and it'll grab a underwater structure or grab a rock or whatever it might to set it. Sometimes you do have to jump in the water to set it to get it tight enough. If it's all sand, then sometimes you do have to manually set these, but it is the best idea to have one of these opposed from your primary, thus to keep you from moving. And again, we have everything here at Grand Bay. Come on down. As you can see, everything is packed, ready to go. And unlike years prior, we have full inventory right now, and we plan on having it all through the season. So come on out. Again, I'm Dan. Ask for me, and I can set you up with your secondary anchor or anything else you might need. Have a great day. Thank you.